classic village, like the others, nothing unusual. And this story happened exactly there, when I was 15 years old. Remember, this was in the middle of summer, really hot July, this break from school, we just having fun with friends every single day. And that day I remember my best friend Zheka, and we decided to go to city from this village by bus. Because in village sometimes it's boring to spend your day in the city, can have fun time. And we decided to go. Yeah, I'm dressing up at my home as usual, this calm, peaceful day. But I don't know why my grandma, she told me Andrew, please could you stay at home today? I feel like something wrong today. Please stay at home. Grandma, what are you talking about? This is a normal day, we're going to city, have fun time with friends, so I'm saying. Grandma, calm down, please. I left home and joined Jeka, we're going to the bus, happy, yes sir, we're gonna have fun time in the city. We're going to the bus and we don't know who was there, but behind us, we're going a black car, Russian car, Четырка. You always know Четырка, yes? This old, in awful condition, black car, just really awful car. And they pull over, we go and they pull over, and two guys in this Четырка, they're drivers and his friends, they sit here in the car. Hey, yo guys, where are you going? You going to the city? Whoa! He's like, yeah, hi guys, to the city. Who are you? Hey, come on with us, join us, bro. We also go to the city, let's go with us. Alright, Jack, what do you think is good chance? Yeah, why not? We're not gonna wait the bus and just save a little time and have fun time with these guys. Alright. We going inside the car. Just in fact, these two guys, total bald, full of tattoos, this classic village prison type of guy who drugs and this kind of moments. And we get in the car. In the back seat, it was a girl, only in one bra, without short, a summer type of girl, really beautiful girl. We sitting in this car. We never, for fact, we never met these guys before, we never met these guys after, we have no idea who is there, who was his name, and this kind of. We sitting and, alright, we ride into the city. In the first turn in this village, it was like a first little sign when this guy he's not gonna stop, he's not gonna slow down the speed, and he goes this turn drifting, drifting by sideway of the car. It was crazy. Alright, I thought maybe he just wanna show off in the village. Alright, I hope gonna be okay. Then we driving in the highway in the city, where speed of limit is 90 kilometers per hour. But this driver, he's not gonna slow down. If we were driving 180 kilometers per hour, attention. What's driver doing? He's sitting like this. He drives a car. Here. He takes the pack of snus from his package. Pack of snus. Puts in his lip. He puts his left leg in the window. He driving like this with his snus, and he's not driving anymore. Because his friend, he is now driving. He is taking the wheel in his driver. He's already high. He sitting like this, and that's it. He's not able to drive anymore. All right. Oh my God! And he just pushed this pedal. It's still 180 kilometers per hour. This guy driving. We really in this just high speed. I see in the back in the side of road like a billboard, and there was slogan something about pure air, some amount of people gonna die because of smoking, yeah? And high speed, and I see only one word there, only word guy. This only one I noticed. And I think, maybe this is a sign. Maybe my grandma, she knew something maybe. Alright, we're driving next, and we're driving. He already in good conditions, pretty good. He able to drive. And in the like circle road, he's not gonna stop. He in a just incredible this speed. He driving in the road in the circle road. We almost die because we almost fly out of the road and go to the fence in this circle. Yeah. Oh, I thought in this moment, police, please stop us. I wanna go to police. I don't wanna go to these guys anymore. Please, police, normal people. I wanted to normal people. But there is no police, and thanks God, I swear to God, you couldn't believe how I was happy when we stuck in a traffic jam. It was the happiest moment in my life. Yes. Finally, obviously we survived. I'm alive here for the view, and we got to city for like 10 minutes when usually by bus it will take 40 minutes. Yeah. It took a little time, but for us, for me and Žeka personally, we felt it was like forever. It was all time in the world that we were sitting and with these guys in the car. And the last phrase when we left the car that this driver told us, it was, "Bye guys, be kind people." Thank you for your kindness.